Today's video is about how lenses work by refraction. I've got a laser raybox on a whiteboard. They're normally powered by a mains adapter, but because our whiteboard site is not near a socket, I'm going to use a USB connection that I've made and use a power bank. So if we turn on and get it onto a single beam, we know that refraction occurs when it meets a different density material. So at the interface, the beam changes direction because the wave speed slows down. When it changes back at the other interface, it will become a parallel beam. Now I've made up a little set with magnetic backs, and we've got a block, and we know that that will refract the beam. I'm going to switch it on to the 3 beams, and I've made up these triangular blocks. If I position one up there, you can see that refracts the light, and because of the angles that it's meeting at, it refracts inwards there and further inwards at the second interface, and the same sort of thing again, and the beams cross, and that is sort of a focal point. So this explains how lenses work, because if we substitute that for a continuous curved lens, you see it's doing the same sort of thing. If we go through to more beams, you can see they cross at approximately the same point. And one more thing I can show with this, so let's put it back to one beam, is total internal reflection. We've made up a wiggly shape of perspex, and I'm going to need some extra help for it to stick to the board, just a couple of magnetic dots underneath. If we get that in the right position, the laser light will reflect off the surfaces. It's a clear block with a white background, and we can see that the beam passes down the light guide and will come out at this end, and this is mimicking how fibre optic cable works.